Hello everyone, welcome to grade 7 maths class session 15 video. Today we are going to learn the new chapter algebra. Branches of mathematics. We have three branches. One is arithmetic, geometry and algebra. So arithmetic deals with numbers, geometry deals with shapes, algebra deals with letters. So now we are going to learn the algebra. Students, as I said before, algebra is a part of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities in formulas and equations. The mathematical term algebra was derived from Arabic word al-jabr. Al means the, jab means reunion of broken parts. What is that reunion of broken parts? It is the study of structure, relation and quantity. So all together only we will call a algebra. Students, here I have given the two expression. What is that expression? Expression that contain variables and constants are called algebraic expressions. Okay, in the above two expression, all the alphabet, that is x, y, m, n, all the alphabet are called as a variable. So all the alphabet are called as a variables. So a variable does not has a fixed value. So variables ku fixed value kadiyadu. Whenever we need, we can change the values for the variables. So next is all the numbers are called as a constants. Constant as a fixed value. So constant change panna mudiyadu. So next I have given the another one expression, 7x square plus 5xy plus 8. X, y are the variables and the number 8 is called a constant. Listen, only 8 is the constant, but 7 and 5 is not called as a constant. They are coefficient. Students, look at this image. Here x plus 4, x minus 4, 4 into x, x divided by 4. So 4 is the constant, x is called as a variable. Here plus minus multiplication divide symbol is there, no, it is called as a operators. So x plus 4, so they are two terms. Children, now I am going to tell you what is terms of an expression. I have given one expression 9x plus 4. In this expression 9x is one term plus 4 is another one term. So 9x we can write 9 into x plus 4. Okay, so children listen here carefully. Multiplication and division symbol is there means we can't consider as a separate term. It is the same term. Only plus and minus symbol can separate the terms. This is very important note here I have to tell you. So 9 into x irukku. So adnala 9 ஒரு term x ஒரு term consider பண்ண கூடாது. Multiplication and division won't be the separate term. Plus minus இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் அது separate terms ஆகும். So 9x plus 4. 9x is one term plus 4 is another term. Terms are added to form a expression. Okay, so next is 5x plus 3y. Can you say how many terms in this expression? Yes, very good. It has two terms. Okay, so next is factors of a term. What is factors? 12mn plus 4m minus 6n. This is one expression. In this expression, how many terms are there? Very good. 3 terms are there. So 3 terms, 3xy are the factors of 3xy. So அதே மாதிரி மேல இருக்க expressionல 12mn are the factors of 12mn. Okay, so ஒரு termல இருக்க ஒரு வேரியபிளும் கான்ஸ்டன்ட்ஸும் we will consider it as a factors. Okay, so ஒரு example பாருங்க, 5x plus 10, it is one expression. So 5x5 அப்படின்றது ஒரு term, 10 plus 10 is another term. In this 5xy we have 3 factors. They are 5xy. Okay, but in the term 10 we don't have factors because it is only have the constants. Okay, have you clear children up to this? So next is 5xy, the numerical factors of a variable term is called its coefficient. ஓகேவா, ஒரு டேர்முக்கு வேரியபிளுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க நம்பரை we will call it as a coefficient. so 5xy அப்படின்றது ஒரு டேர்ம். இந்த டேர்மில் xyன்ற வேரியபிளுக்கு முன்னாடி 5ன்ற நம்பர் இருக்கு. so it is called as a coefficient. okay, next is 12x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. okay, it is a term. This it is a expression. This expression have 3 terms. so coefficient of these expressions are number 12, number 4 and number 4. okay children, now I am going to teach you 2 kinds of terms. so when terms have the same algebraic factors, they are called like terms. for example, 5mn, 10mn. so both the term have the same variables mn, so it is a like terms. when terms have a different algebraic factors, they are called unlike terms. for example, 3x 7b. okay, here x is there, 7b is there, so they are called unlike terms. so children, variables differ இருந்துச்சுனா unlike terms, variables same இருந்துச்சுனா like terms. very very important this. and then we can add and subtract only the like terms. unlike terms நம்மளால addition subtraction பண்ண முடியாது. okay children, next I am going to show you the example for like terms and unlike terms. here I am going to give you one expression, that is 4xy minus 5x plus 3xy plus 2. can you say how many terms are there? yes, very good, 4 terms are there. that is 4xy is one term, minus 5x is another one term, plus 3x is another one term, plus 2 is another one term. okay, 4 terms are there. in this 4 terms, what are all the like terms? okay, so listen children, we can take 4xy. okay, the factors of 4xy are 4x and y. okay, like that the same we have plus 3xy, because factors of 3xy are 3x and y. okay, listen children, xy, here also we have, in 3xy also we have the xy. so variables are same. variables are same means we are called it as a like terms. okay, have you clear children what is like terms? variable same இருந்துச்சுனா it is called as a like terms. இங்க 4xy இருக்கு, இங்க 3xy இருக்கு. numbers differ ஆனா don't worry about it, we have to see only the variables for like terms. okay, so 4xy and 3xy are like terms. so இதல unlike terms பார்க்கலாமா? here 4xy and minus 5x. so in these two terms we have the factors 4x and y. here this side minus 5 and x is the factors, so the factors are differ, so it is a unlike terms. so now I am going to tell you the types of algebraic expression. first is monomial. algebraic expression that contains only one term are called monomials. here 18ab, it is a one term, so in this term we have 3 factors. one is 18, another one is a, another one is b. 18 is the coefficient, a and b are variables. so next is algebraic expression that contain 2 terms are called binomials. 5m plus 2, plus is the splitting of the terms. so 5m is one term, 2 is another term. so m is the variable, 2 is the constant, 5 is the coefficient. so next is algebraic expression that contain 3 terms are called trinomials. 6a is one term, 4b is another one term, minus 2c is another term. so we have 3 terms in this expression. so a, b, c are the variables, 6, 4, 2 are the coefficients of the variables. okay, have you clear children up to this? so only one term is there means we call as a monomial, 2 terms means binomial, 3 term means trinomial. more than 3 terms are there in expression means we will call it as a polynomials. Okay, have you clear children? Very important thing this. Children, here I am showing you the notes, what are all you want to write from today. Okay, put the date and you're going to start to write the chapter number 3 algebra. Maintain your note very neatly. Okay, with your neat handwriting, give your neat presentation too. Okay, here page number 78, chapter number 3 algebra. Here I am given the explanation for algebraic expression, variables, constants, terms of an expression and factors of term, and then this side coefficient of terms, types of terms, that is like and unlike, and then types of algebraic expression, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Up to what I thought till now, no, all the notes I just written and show you people. Okay, you just want to write in your math subject note. Okay, after this now we are going to start up with the example number 3.1. Example number 3.1, page number 80. Okay, start to write this one. So example number 3.1 is identify the variables, terms and number of terms in the expression. They given the 4 expressions here. In this expression, what are all the variables, terms and number of terms? We have to write it here. Okay, listen children, very much easy. Whatever I thought till now, no, that only they are also asking to write here, so you can answer me very clearly. So children, listen here, 12 minus x is there in this expression. So here x is the variable and 12 is one term, minus x is another term. So 12 comma minus x. So we have totally 2 terms. Okay, so in this expression 7 plus 2y, y is only the variable. So 7 is one expression, 2y is another expression. So 7 comma 2y, 2 terms are there. In this expression we have 3. So 3 terms is there means we will call it as a trinomial expression. So we have 2 variables here, x comma y. Okay, so variables are x comma y and we have 3 terms. 29 is one term, 3x is another term, 5y is another term. So we have number of terms is 3. Here also we have the 3 terms. In this 3x is one term, minus 5 is another term, plus 7z is another term. So we have 2 variables, x and y, sorry, x and z. Okay, very much clear children. I hope everybody understand till now. So next is find the numerical coefficient and also find the coefficient of x and y in each terms. Okay, find the numerical coefficient. Okay, so x இருக்கு, variable முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அதுதான் numerical coefficient. அப்போ variable முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு, 3 இருக்கு. So that 3 is the numerical coefficient. இங்க பாருங்க x y அப்படின்றது variable. They ask us to find only the numerical coefficient. So numerical coefficient is minus 5. Numerical means number. Okay, here no number is there before the variable, so we have to give 1. So we have to give minus 1. Okay, before 3 alphabets, 3 variables are there. Before that we have the 7 as the numerical coefficient. Here we have only y, so no number is there means we have to take it as a 1. So here 2 variables are there. 2 variables before we have number 16. It is a numerical coefficient. So we got the numerical coefficient here. Here now coefficient of x. Okay va, so coefficient of x அப்படினா x தவிர்த்து அது கூட என்னன்னா இருக்கோ அது எல்லாமே coefficient of x தான். Okay va, இங்க x க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கு, 3 இருக்கு. Okay, பின்னாடி எதனா இருக்கா, no, nothing is there. So we have to write only 3. Okay வா, இங்க பாருங்க x விட்டுடுங்க, x விட்டுட்டா முன்னாடி minus 5 பின்னாடி y. So we have to write minus 5y. Are you understand children? Now here see x இருக்கா இந்த expressionல, no x is there. Okay வா, no x is there. So you just give the hyphen. x இல்ல, அப்போ எப்படி coefficient of x எழுத முடியும்? We can't write. Okay, I will give the hyphen here. So next in this expression 7xyz, we have the x here. So x மட்டும் விட்டுட்டு மீதி 3யும் நம்ம எழுதணும், 7yz. Okay, so here also I don't have x, only y is there, so I have to give the hyphen. So here we have the x, so x before 16, y is there. Okay, what children? I hope everybody understand. Now coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. First expression paranga 3x mattada irukku. Y irukka? No y is there. So I have to give the hyphen. So in this expression minus 5xy I have the y. So y mattum vittu remaining 2 எழுதுவோம் minus 5x. இங்கே பாருங்க x coefficient of x எழுதும்போது x விட்டுட்டு minus 5y எழுதணும். இப்போ coefficient of y எழுதும்போது y விட்டுட்டு minus 5x எழுதுவோம். Okay, so next is here coefficient of y is minus symbol இருக்கு, கூடவே z இருக்கு. Here coefficient of y is 7xz. Okay va? So next coefficient of y is only y is there, so I can write 1. Okay va? Y இருக்கு, ஆனா y க்கு முன்னாடி எந்த நம்பரும் இல்லன்னும் போது I have to give 1 to that. Okay, so இங்க y இருக்கு, so I have to write 16x. இங்க பாருங்க coefficient of x எழுதி இருக்கும்போது எங்கேயுமே x இருக்காது, coefficient of y எழுதும்போது எங்கேயுமே y இருக்காது. ரிமைனிங் என்ன இருக்கோ அதுதான் நம்ம எழுதணும். அப்படி சப்போஸ் அந்த வேரியபிளே இல்லை அந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனில் அப்படின்னா we have to give the hyphen to that. ஓகே, உங்கள் புக்கில் நாட் பாசிபிள் அப்படின்ற வேர்ட் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. யூ கேன் யூஸ் தட் ஆல்சோ, நோ ப்ராப்ளம் இன் தட். ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் எவ்ரிபடி கிளியர். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் example number 3.3. See children, very much simple sum this is. If x equal to 3, y equal to 2, variables கான values இவங்க கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So we have to substitute the value and find the answer. Find the value. 3 questions கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. One is 4x plus 7y, that is one expression. So 3x plus 2y minus 5, this is one expression. X minus 5y is the third expression. So I am going to solve the first one. So first one is First one is 4x plus 7y. They had given the value, x value is 3, y value is 2. So 4, x க்கு பதிலா 3 substitute பண்ணுங்க, plus 7, y க்கு பதிலா 2 substitute பண்ணுங்க. We have to multiply. Okay வா? எந்த சிம்பிளுமே ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு நடுவில் இல்லை அப்படின்னா we have to multiply it. Okay, 4 3s are, open your mouth and say, 4 3s are 12, 7 2s are, yes, 14. So I will get the answer. 12 plus 14 is, very good, 26. Okay, that's all children, very much simple. Okay, second one I am going to do now. Listen it properly. Here I have the trinomial expression because I have the 3 terms. So 3x plus 2y minus 5. So 3, instead of x I have to give the 3 plus, instead of y I have to give the 2 minus 5. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 2 is 4 and minus 5. Here you just do the addition first. 9 plus 4 is, what will come? 13 minus 5. Okay va? So 13 minus 5 is, what will come? Yes, very good, I have get 8 as the answer. Okay children, first I added these two numbers, then I will subtract with this minus 5, I will get the answer 8. That's it. Okay, so next is third one. The expression is x minus 5. Can anyone say what kind of expression this? Monomial or binomial or trinomial? Very good, it is a binomial expression because we have the two terms, one is x, another one is y. Okay, so x value is, how much is the x value? 3 they given, so 3. Y value they given the 2, so 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay children, have you clear? Very much simple. Okay, so like that the same here also we have to, example number 3.4, find the value. They given the value for m is 2, n is minus 1. They given the 3 expressions here. Okay, shall we do the sum? First expression is, open your mouth and read out. 3m plus 2n. Okay, so 3 into m value is 2 plus 2 n value is minus 1. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 2 minus 1, sorry, 2 into minus 1, what will get? 2 into minus 1, 2 ones are 2, plus into minus is minus, so minus 2 we will get. Okay, appo 6 minus 2 is, what will come? 6 minus 2 is 4. Very good. Okay, I'm going to do the second one now. 2m minus n. 2 into m value is, we know that 2 is the m value, minus n value is minus 1. Okay va, listen carefully children. Here இங்க இருக்க மைனஸ் நான் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்கேன், அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னோட வேல்யூ தனியாக மைனஸ் 1, அதனால தான் ப்ராக்கெட் போட்டு தனியாக அதுக்கு ஒரு மைனஸ் 1 போட்டிருக்கேன். ஓகேவா, இதுவும் மைனஸ் அதுவும் மைனஸ் தானே, ஒரு மைனஸ் போட்டால் போகுதுன்ட்டு நீங்கள் ஆன்சர் போட்டிங்களன்னா இட் வில் கம் ராங். ஓகே, ஸோ 2 2s are 4. Very good. Minus into minus is plus, plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, are we clear children? So next is third one. Third one is mn minus 1. Okay, m value is 2, n value is minus 1. Okay, why? mn. அது இல்லாம questionலயே ஒரு minus 1. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 plus here minus, so plus into minus is minus, so then this minus 1 you write. So minus 2 minus 1, what will come? Both the numbers are negative, means we want to add it. 2 plus 1 is 3, bigger number is 2, 2 before minus is there, so we will get answer minus 3. Okay, that's all children. Very much simple sum. I hope everybody is clear till now. Children, we have completed all the examples. Now we are going to start up the new exercise number 3.1. Okay, this is in your book page number 57. In your note you should write page number 81. This is okay. For my continuation I am giving this page number. Okay, you want to see this exercise number 3.1 in your book, means you have to take page number 57. Okay, so fill in the blanks. First they are given, so the variable in the expression, they given the expression 16x minus 7. So what is the variable in this expression? Variable is x. Okay, so apart from that no variable is there. Okay, second one is the constant term of the expression. Constant term of the expression is, the only number is called as a constant. The only number is minus 6. Okay, minus 6. Okay, in the expression 2m plus 14n, the type of the terms are, so type of the terms, what are all the types we learned? Unlike term and like term. Okay, like term and unlike term we learned. So this is like term or unlike term. Here variable m, here variable n, so it is a unlike term. So next is, this is E. Next is the number of terms in the expression. Number of terms in the expression, how many terms are there? This is 1 and this is 1 and this is 1. So we have 3 terms. How many terms? 3 terms. So we have how many terms? 3 terms. So next is the numerical coefficient of the term. Numerical coefficient of the term. Okay, x, y is there, before no number is there, so we have to take it as a 1. So 1 before minus is there, so we have to give minus 1. Okay, are you clear children? Very much simple. So second is say true or false. Okay, x minus x, x minus x pochuna 0. 1 minus 1 consider panunga, 1 minus 1 we will get the 0, so we have to take as a true. Okay, so next is the coefficient of AB in the term 15ABC. 15ABC is the term. ஓகேவா. ஸோ கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் ஏ பியோட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் வந்து 15 சொல்கிறாங்க. இட் இஸ் ட்ரூ ஆர் ஃபால்ஸ்? சில்ட்ரன் திங்க், யூ ஹேவ் டு திங்க் இயர். ஓகேவா. இங்கே நியூமரிக்கல் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா தான் இந்த 15 இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். இங்கே கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் ஏ பின்னு மட்டும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போது ஏவும் பியும் விட்டுட்டு பார்த்தீங்களன்னா இயர் ஐ ஹேவ் 15 அண்ட் சி. ஓகேவா. அப்போ இங்கே ஆன்சர் என்ன வந்திருக்கணும், எனக்கு 15C வந்திருந்தால் தான் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். அவங்க வந்து 15 மட்டும் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ திஸ் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இட் ப்ராப்பர்லி. நியூமரிக்கல் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா 15 இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். இங்கே நியூமரிக்கல் கொடுக்கல. அப்போ இங்கே ஆன்சர் என்ன வந்திருக்கணும், 15C வந்திருக்கணும். ஸோ இவங்க வந்து 15 தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் 2PQ and -7QP ஆர் லைக் டேர்ம்ஸ். லைக் டேர்ம்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இஸ் இட் ரைட்? Children, listen here. Very much beautiful question this is. What I am coming to say is PQ. இங்கே மல்டிப்ளேயில் இருக்குது, இங்கே QP. ஓகேவா. PQ இருந்தாலும் QP இருந்தாலும் சேம் தான். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அ லைக் டேர்ம்ஸ் தான். டோன்ட் திங்க் இங்கே P இருக்குது ஃபஸ்ட்டு, Q இருக்குது அப்புறமா, இங்கே Q இருக்குது அப்புறமா P இருக்கே, இது எப்படி லைக் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஆகும்? டோன்ட் திங்க் லைக் தட். மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனில் இருக்கும்போது ஆர்டர் ஆஃப் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் சேஞ்ச் ஆனாலும் த வேல்யூ வில் பி த சேம். இது நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு சாப்டர்லேயே படிச்சிருக்கோம். ஓகேவா. ஸோ இங்கே ஆர்டர் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருந்தாலும் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனில் இருக்கிறதுனால நோ ப்ராப்ளம் இன் தட். ஸோ PQ QP both are same only. So we have to give the true. So next is when y equal to -1, the value of the expression 2y minus 1 is 3 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா. செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமா. ஸோ 2y ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து -1 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்புறமா -1. 2 into 1 is 2, plus into minus is -1. ஓகேவா. இப்போ பாருங்கள் -2 -1 என்ன வரும் எனக்கு ஆன்சரு, -3 வரும். பட் they are given the +3 here. அப்போ ட்ரூ ஆர் ஃபால்ஸா? வாட் இஸ் த ஆன்சர்? ஃபால்ஸ் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். -3க்கு பதிலாக +3 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். ஓகே. are you clear children? Very much simple. Understand it properly. It will be easy to you. Students, next is question number 3. Find the numerical coefficient for each terms. They are given nearly the 7 terms here. How many terms? 7 terms they are given here. So we have to write the only numerical coefficient we have to write. Okay va. So listen children, in this expression which is the numerical coefficient, open your mouth and say -3y x is there. So numerical coefficient is -3. Okay va. So next is 12k. In this expression 12 is the numerical coefficient. Here only y is there, no number before means we have to give the 1. So BC before 121 is there, that is the numerical coefficient. Here also no number is there. Okay, we have to give 1, but before that minus is there, we must give the minus if it is there. Okay, 9PQ is there, before that 9 is there. Okay. So 2AB numerical coefficient is 2. Okay wow. That's it children. Very much simple. Children, next this is page number 82. Okay. Question number 4. Write the variables, constants and terms. Okay. They are given the 4 algebraic expression here. We have to write, find the variables and constants and terms. Okay wow. So shall we write? First you open your mouth and say what are all the variables we can see in this expression, x and y. Okay, are the 2 variables. X and y are the 2 variables. Okay, constant term is, what is the constant term here? Yes, 18 is the constant term. Okay, how many terms are they totally here? 3 terms. What are all the terms? One is 18, another one is x, another one is -5. So we have 3 terms here. Okay va. They are asking terms only. If they are asking number of terms means you have to give the answer 3. Okay va. So next is this expression. See what are all the variables you can see here, P and Q. P and Q. Okay, what is the constant term here? +5 is the constant term. So how many terms are there? 7P comma -4Q comma 5. So totally we have 3 terms. So in this expression you can find the variables x and y. Okay va. How many terms are there? Here can you find any constant number here? No, nothing is there. So we have to give the hyphen. Okay va. So next is constant term means what? Variable கூட இல்லாம ஏதாச்சும் நம்பர் தனியா இருக்கணும். So here we don't have anything like that. Okay, so next is terms. Terms you can write 29x, 13y. So totally we have only two terms here. Okay, here children b plus 2. b plus 2. Only how many variable here? Only one variable, that is b. Okay va. Can you see any constant number here? Yes, I can see number 2 here. Okay, next is how many terms are there? b is one term, 2 is another one term. Okay, that's it children. Very much simple. This is question number 4 we have completed. Okay va. So next is question number 5. Identify the like terms among the following. Identify the like terms among the following. They are given the so many terms here. Okay, first 7x, 5y minus 8x, 12y, 6z, z minus 12x minus 9y, 11z. By seeing this question itself, we can come to know that we have three variables here. One is x, another one is y, another one is z. Okay va. So that only I am just split off into the three terms, that is x terms, y terms, z terms. Okay va. So term x, like term means all the variables should be the same. Okay va. அப்போ x terms எதெல்லாம் xல இருக்கோ அதெல்லாமே like terms. First x term is 7x. வேற எது இருக்கு? minus 8x is there. minus 8x. வேற எங்க x terms இருக்கு? So minus 12. minus 12x. So it is the like terms. Okay, because all the variables are same. That is x. So next is y terms. Y terms means here we will get 5y, comma, here we will see 12y, comma, here you can see minus 9y. So it is the, these three are like terms. And then z terms. Z terms anything is there? Yes. 6z, comma, here only z. So z, comma, here you can see 11z. So x terms are one like terms, y terms are like terms, z terms are like terms. Okay, we are splitted into the like terms. Okay, very much simple children. By seeing the question itself, you have to take and write the terms. That's all. Okay va. So next is question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is if x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, then find the value of expression. Find the value of expression. So first expression, how many expressions they given here? 4 expressions they given. So first expression we have to find the answer. So you can write here 2 x value is 2. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3. Y value is 3. Okay va. 2 2s are, open your mouth and say 4. 3 3s are 9. In between minus is there, so minus 9. So 9 minus 4, what we will get? 5 we will get. The bigger number is 9. 9 before minus is there, so we have to give the minus 5 as the answer. Okay va. Here you can do by like this, minus 9 plus 4. So I will get answer 5. Bigger number is 9 before minus is there, so minus 5 we will get the answer. Okay, so next is x plus y. X plus y. X value is 2 plus y value is 3. Very much simple. So I will get the answer number 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Very good. So next is 4 into y value is 3 minus x value is 2. So 4 3s are 12 minus 2. Okay, so 12 minus 2, what I will get? Very good, I will get number 10. Okay, next is x plus 1 minus y. So x value is 2 plus 1 minus y value is 3. Y value is 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, are we clear children? That's it. Sixth sum is getting over. Very much simple now. So I have completed the exercise number 3.1 today. So in that some of the objective type questions are there. So you can see here I written the question. So I am just explain one by one. An algebraic statement which is equivalent to the verbal statement. Okay வா, இங்க verbal statement கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இதுக்கான algebraic expression நம்ம write பண்ணனும். So எந்த expression இதுல suitable இருக்கும்னு பாருங்க. Okay, 3 times of sum of x and y. Okay வா, so sum of x and y na x plus y. அதன sum na plus கொடுக்கணும். So x plus y. அப்ப என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 3 times they given. So we have to give before 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணனும். So which is the right answer here? You can see this is the right answer, option A. Okay children, so next is the numerical coefficient. Listen children, numerical coefficient of -7 - these two are variables, so before that -7 only there, so -7 is the right answer. Okay, choose the pairs of like terms. Choose the pairs of like terms. So what are all the like terms here? Open your mouth. Px, not, it is not a like term. Rx, this is also not a like term. X, here no variable, so this is not a like term. So x, both the terms have the x as the variable. So number 4 is the like terms. Correct answer. So next is 10th question. The value of 7a minus 4b when a equal to 3, b equal to 2. Find the answer. So shall I solve it here? 7a minus 4b. Okay va, 7 instead of a I have to give the number 3 because they given here, and then minus 4 instead of b I have to give number 2. So 7 3s are 21 minus 4 2s are 8. Okay, what I will get it here? 21 minus 8. Yes, very good. 21 minus 8 is 13. Is it right? 13? Yes. Okay. So answer is 13. Option second. Okay. Up to this I have completed the exercise number 3.1. Today class is getting over children. So I'll just give you what are all the homeworks you want to do today.
Today's home assignment is write the pages 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. Start the chapter number 3 in a fresh page and complete the exercise number 3.1. Do neatly in maths subject note. I will meet you in the next class.